How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get bigger wrists step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So first exercise we're going to do is wrist curls. So just like this. This is one of my favorite exercises. It's 20, keep going, 21, 22. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we're gonna do is we are going to extend our wrist. So just like this, and then we're gonna raise up. Like you're starting a motorbike. So just like this. Again, just like this. It's 20, keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise we're gonna do is a squeeze. So get your hands like this, squeeze really, really tight. This this puts pressure on the wrist. This is a great exercise to do for the wrist. Let's hold for about 25 seconds. Keep squeezing, squeeze hard, you guys. You wanna make this exercise pretty intense. Harder you squeeze, more intense it's gonna be. Perfect, you guys. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we're gonna do, you guys, is gonna be wrist curls again. Again, this is my favorite exercise. When I'm doing my workouts, I like to do this exercise twice. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna do a hammer curl now, you guys. So just like this, and you're gonna raise your wrist up. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.